Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, Marlon. Guys, I'm back in another video today to do another thumbnail blaster review. Thumbnail blaster review is an actual software created by Vlad and Stoica, the Blaster Suite guys. You guys are familiar with them. These guys are known for coming up with some of the coolest, most creative, innovative, and software that I've ever seen. And so I definitely wanted to do this video on the thumbnail blaster because it's actually a piece of software that I picked up about, I don't know, maybe a couple of months ago, and I'm absolutely loving it because it's so simple to use. So if you're a video creator, and you guys are looking for really a simple process for creating your own thumbnails, and I'm talking about outside of places like Canva, which is a place you can go to have them done, and or having them outsourced on places like SEO Clerks or Fiverr. You can do that. But when you have this software, you can do all of that and more. Okay, there are vendors on Fiverr and SEO Clerks charging upwards of $5, $10 just create a simple thumbnail. And in the time that it takes to do it on Canva, you probably could save yourself a little. It might take you a little longer, but you could do it on Canva. But here, guys, we're talking about like 5 minutes, man. You know what I'm saying? And you can create unlimited thumbnails. You know what I mean? So I've been faithfully using it since I've got it. I'm loving it. And this is probably my third video on the thumbnail blaster in this review, because you talk about thumbnail maker, right? Or you think about uh, 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 um, how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You want to see this, guys. And so in today's video, I'm going to go inside my actual, if my slow computer ever speeds up, I'm actually going to try to get inside my actual software. So here I am, guys. I'm right at my members area, right? And I'm going to actually go, if you look over here on the left, right, I'm going to go right down here to the thumbnail creator. I'm going to click that icon, or that button actually, and it's going to actually take me over to where you would go once you had the software, and you can start creating your own thumbnails. And not only is it a lot of fun, guys, but there's really no limit to what you can actually use Thumbnail Blaster to do. You think thumbnail, 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 and that's great, right? And that's a great way to get attention to your YouTube videos, but it's even more things that you can do inside of this software, guys, that I'm starting to find out and that I'm starting to use it for. So anyway, once you're in your members area, guys, you're going to have your templates. You're going to have the editor. So I'm going to go straight to templates, okay? And once you're inside of the actual templates, a screen like this is going to populate. It's going to give you some instructional videos, which are very, very short and self-explanatory, really. But anyway, once you're inside of here, guys, let's look. You're just gonna have access to a whole bunch of video or thumbnail templates, right? Thumbnail templates, and you can choose the template that you want. Now over here, where is it? Where it says predefined, I'm going to go back to club. I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to jump back over here to predefined, because this is where once you start creating your own thumbnails inside of the software, then what's going to happen is they're actually going to be housed inside of the actual platform, right? Again, my computer is really acting very, very slow. So I'm hoping that this populates in a second, guys, because I actually should close some windows because I have a lot more windows open than I need to have open. Okay, there we go. So anyway, so now, guys, once you're in your, this is something else I meant to mention. You can take all your videos, by the way, upload your YouTube channel, so you can just go back here and go back to previous videos and start creating thumbnails for them. That's just a little extra I thought I'd throw in there. But anyway, that's another thing that you'd be able to do. But let's see, can we get back to the actual creator? I'm going to try to pop in here real quick to show you guys just how fast and how quick and easy it is to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. While I'm waiting for this screen to pop up, let me mention, guys, I talked in a couple of other videos, and I'm going to do a few more videos on this probably, because I was talking about the fact that you can use this thumbnail blaster, this thumbnail creator, and these templates, you can use them for other things, right? You don't have to just use them for thumbnails. And I showed you guys, I think you guys might have seen the video where you can create your own envelopes using these templates, you know what I mean? You just create a nice template, you know what I mean? And you go and you can have it put on your envelope. You can create your own self-mailers. You can create your own flyers. You can create your own follow-up emails, which I think I did a video on. So anyway, let's scroll down a little bit. And you can see some of the things. I've just been playing around. You guys know I'm having a lot of fun with this software. So I've just been playing around inside of here, just, you know, picking out some different templates and actually creating the actual the template. Now let's go over here. See where it says use this template? I'm going to click that. It's going to say use this template. And what's going to happen is that particular template is going to populate. And once it populates, guys, you actually will have the ability to go in and start editing the actual video, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So what we're talking about in this video is the thumbnail Blastser review, right? So I'm going to click. Now once you're in here, you're in the editing mode of this software now. Now I'm going to click right there where it says YouTube advertising, and over here on the left you'll see by backspace I can actually take the words out, right? So we're talking about how to create B-E-A-U thumbnails. How to create beautiful thumbnails. Now you see how big it is, guys, there? Now you can come over here, you can change it around, but you also can change the size. So if you come down here, you see where it's 38, we're going to change that to 30. That's not small enough. Let's make it 20. Okay, so look, there you go. How to create beautiful thumbnails. Let me move back a little bit. Okay, let's take this back down. Now you can also, and you can move these images, by the way, guys. You can move this stuff around any way that you want to. Okay, so we're gonna say how to create beautiful thumbnails. How to create beautiful thumbnails. You can open it up a little bit. You can also stretch it. Let me show you guys this real quick. I like this feature. I like being able to do this. So you can stretch. You can turn it like that. You know what I mean? You can play around with it any way you want. So now, if I can get back. So you got it there, right? So how to create beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube. Oh, wait a minute. Let's back up. For your YouTube videos, okay? Now, guys, there's a lot of things you can play around with, right? You can turn these images around any kind of way you want. But I'm just doing this for the sake of this video, you know, so you guys can see how simple and easy it is once you open up the software and you're inside, right? Now, if you do any video marketing on YouTube and content marketing, then guys, this is perfect for that, because it's a great way to create beautiful, eye-stunning, eye-popping video. I mean, should I say thumbnails for your let's see, can I get back on here one more time for your actual I'm gonna move that up just a little bit. You see how you can do that, guys? You can take it and you can actually change the formatting of all of these things. You can also take stuff out. You know what I mean? Like you can take stuff out. But once you are on the actual inside the editor, then you're able to do all these kind of things. And I'm not a really tech savvy type of person, you know what I mean? But this is cool, right? Okay, so all my video markers, you want to create beautiful thumbnails, my content markers, right? Then you can do it using the thumbnail Blastser. Now we're talking about how to create beautiful thumbnails in less than, I mean, you know, really record-breaking time. And once you're done, remember that the actual video, the thumbnails are actually housed back here inside of the actual software. Now I can't open this up anymore. I wanted to get it a little bigger, but I'm having a problem. I think it's just because of the speed of my computer. But I think you guys get the idea of where it is I'm going. You can also turn this here, guys. You could take that, and if you come down here, there's a little angle space right here, right, where you can actually turn that. I'm gonna turn it. See, I'm gonna turn that just a little bit. I'm gonna turn it a little bit more that way. And so this is my another review for the thumbnail blaster for those of you who want to create some beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube videos. And I'm gonna come back in another video, guys, but my computer is so slow. But I'm stretching it out a little bit, right? So you want to learn how to create beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You want to know, get a great YouTube thumbnail maker instead of doing outsourcing or going to Canva, guys. For all my video marketers, this is a great way to create some beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube. I spell wrong, your wrong, right? Y-O-U. Okay, I'm back for your YouTube videos. So anyway, guys, if you look below the YouTube video, there'll be in the description area, there'll be a link with a page that will tell you even more about the actual software. I mean, thousands of people are using this, and it's just a great tool to have in your marketing and advertising arsenal. I'm absolutely loving it. There are no recurring payments. And when I tell you that Storka and Vlad are two of the best in the business in terms of YouTube video creation and just marketing, period, guys, take my word for it. So you'll find the link in the YouTube video description area for the Thumbnail Blaster, guys. Go down and pick up your copy and start using this thing. It's incredible. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you on the next video.